Okay, so we're out here doing a bit of truck spotting. We've seen quite a nice one already. Got a Mercedes. There we go, very nice. We've had a few very nice trucks already. And we've now got a congestion building up. Oh, here they are. Anyway, we've got quite a few nice ones. We've got like Vico. Hey! What else we got? Got a couple of others. Got a DAF and a Volvo. We've got a Scania. Oh, there's the Scania car transport over there. Fantastic. To be fair, we did catch them. We did just hit another one of those. Very nice Scania. What else we got? Oh. Got a nice Volvo. Very nice Volvo. Ooh. Got the Scania. My God! Oh, there's the end! Very nice. Hey! I'm the Scania! Oh, a very squeaky flavour. Got a nice DAF coming up. Good. What do we got? Hey! Lights from the Scania. Thank you. Magnum. Guys. All this one. Okay, we've got I believe this might be an Iveco. It is an Iveco. Ready, and there it is. Oh, there's another one of these. This time a Scania. Hey, like to drive. Hey, yes. Oh, that was Ned King's. Thank you. From the DAF. nice one from. Very nice. Hey, thank you. Fantastic. Are you ready? There's a bunch of them. Ooh. Listen to that. Hi. Flashing lights from the Volvo. Sir. Way! Yeah! Fantastic! Are you ready? Hey! Mercedes as well. Woohoo! Listen to them! We've got two more Scanias with the lights. Another Scania with the lights. Crash. There's some serious car transport actually. There's a very nice one coming up. It's a Volvo. Actually, there's two Volvos thinking about it. Yeah, Volvos. There's one. There's also a Scania in the horizon. Here she comes. Fantastic. With the lights. Thank you, drive. Hey, another one. Thank you, drive. Hey. Oh, we got something big coming. Okay. Here comes the wide load. There's two. There's two of them. And the Scania, look at this one coming up. Hey, look at that. Scania with the lights. Thanks, sir. Gregory. With the lights. From the Volvo. Woohoo! Listen to MGBGC! No! No way! Hey! Hey! From the Volvo. Hey! Lights there from the Volvo. Way from Scania. Thank you. Thank you, drive. Thunder on. We've moved across to the other side once again for some more Scania action. Way, thank you, drive. Another Scania inbound. Lights from the Scania. Thank you. MAF. Hey! Lights there! Hello. Lights from the Scania. Thank you, drive. Do you know what? I might start a new YouTube channel. Silver's Truck 70, I think. Trucking. Well, we got spot trucks. Any from the DAF? No. Hey, away from the Mercedes. Lights from the Volvo. Hey, Anki drive. Yes, please. Hey, Scania. Hey. There is literally though, a nice couple of Scanias coming up. Actually a Scania, Renault and another Scania behind. Lights from the Scania. Renault, how you doing? Lights from the Scania though. Thank you, drive. Lights from the Scania. Ooh, did you listen to them horns? We've got a Volvo. There she is. Okay, we've got Scania, Volvo. Here we go. Lights from Scania. Lights from the Volvo. Fantastic. Thank you. Alright, Mercedes, DAF. This side. Thank you. Okay, we've got a very nice truck coming up. Very nice, I believe it's a blue Scania. Lights from the Scania. Very nice. Lights from the DAF. And the Scania. It's got DAF, Scania. 2 Scanias. I think that was away from one of them. Hey! Flashing lights once again. Way! Fantastic. Two of them actually. Ready? There's 1, there's 2. There's, I believe that was 3 actually. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Another Scania. Okay, more flashy lights. There's flashy lights everywhere today. This is from a Scania. Very nice one. Not interested though. Fantastic. Oh, there's quite a lot of big. There's a lot of big trucks coming up in a minute. Okay, here we go. MAN leads DAF. Then we've got 2 Scanias, one in green, one in white. Very nice. Way! Horn for the driver. There's another Scania with flashy lights. That's a crane, I think. I don't know what that is. Very nice though. Okay. Once again, another Scania on the road. Hey, lights from the Scania, fantastic, well done, sir. That truck was also named. Taken out to Eddie Stobart there. Magnum, thank you, drive. And horns, sir, yes sir. Hey. Mercedes, how you doing? Okay. Got another very nice Scania coming up. Lights from the Scania. And tones. Okay, once again we've moved to the other side of it again. We've got a DAF. Lights from the DAF, fantastic, so well done. Another nice DAF. Hey, lights from the DAF. Oh, they were beefy. Okay, 2 Scanias, one of them quite nice. See if we can get them. Lights and tones from the Scania. There was also a very nice pink Mercedes in there. Very nice. Okay, this is a MAN in a very nice colour. Hey! We've got a, I believe this is a Volvo on hay. Way, lights and tones. MAN going absolutely nuts there with the lights. Another MAN. Got a Very nice Volvo on the approach. From DHL. Rocking the B&M trailer. Back on the other side for a DAF. Leading Scania. Closing behind. Hey, that was lights. Fantastic.